The relationship and willingness of the manufacturer to work with the designer is really what makes a program successful. Here are 5 questions to consider during the manufacturing phase. 1. What are the product costs? 2. Did these costs meet our original targets? 3. Did we meet the timelines? 4. Did we meet the quality levels? 5. Did we meet the final product testing? At PopFoam, we've developed a 2-step process for future collaboration between designer and manufacturer. The initial design development phase evaluates materials and identifies the manufacturing process best suited for the projected volumes we want to produce. We then engage with the manufacturer to see whether it fits our program and our future production goals. If so, we begin to establish a long-term relationship. Repeat programs of collaborative product design are a great way to increase joint knowledge, improve working relationships, and boost product quality. Contact us to learn more about how PopFoam works with manufacturers to bring ideas to market.